Hi loves, let's make keto turkey chicken burger. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. So in a mixing bowl, put half cup of coconut flour, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of sweetener. And mix until well combined. Now add 20 grams melted butter and 5 large eggs. So this will be served as our keto burger. So it's only 1 minute microwave keto bun. And then mix all the ingredients until well combined. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I'm using apple cider and just mix it. Now add 1/4 cup hot water and mix until well combined. So use a small bowl and grease it. Now this is optional, garnish with sesame seeds. And put about half cup of bread dough and flatten it. Microwave for 1 to 2 minutes each. So after 1 minute, our keto burger bun is ready. So remove it and repeat the procedure in all keto bun. So if you want to bake it, you bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. And that's it. Now slice it into half. I have another recipe of this. You can check in the description box in my vlog. But this is better. It doesn't have eggy taste on it. Now set aside. So in another bowl, put half kilogram of ground turkey chicken. Or turkey, I don't. And put salt and pepper. About 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And mix until well combined. Now divide the patty into 4 pieces and get 1 and then mold it into circle like burger, like this. So set aside. Now let's toss our bread. Turn on gas on medium fire. Add butter and let it melt. And add the keto bun. Toss it until golden brown. This keto bun is so amazing. This is my everyday burger bun, everyday bun I'm using. So after you toss it, set aside. Now clean the pan again and add butter and fry each of the turkey patties until golden brown. Just press it. So it's the same if you're using a beef patty. Same procedure. So I only have ground turkey chicken. I think turkey is chicken also. I don't know. That's it. And flip it. So this is ready, set aside. Now prepare the plate with parchment paper and put the other keto bun, 1 keto bun, and 1 teaspoon of marinara sauce, and 1 slice of onions, and 1 slice of tomato. Now add the turkey patty and add some cheddar cheese and iceberg lettuce. Now I add some keto spicy mayo. I put on the description box the recipe, and add the other keto bun. And that's it. You just put the stick, so it's good to, it looks nice when you serve it. So I hope this recipe will satisfy your cravings in keto turkey burger. So that's it. Thank you and God bless.